to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I just wanted to explain where I've been the past week. I did happen to get sick, which delayed my Spookfest videos. I lost my voice. I had laryngitis for like a week and a half, so I didn't upload anything, but I did add one more look to my Instagram page just so that you guys had some Spookfest content. I went ahead and did Shigo from Kim Possible, but this is my space cowgirl look. As you guys can probably tell from the description, that's what it is. I did get this nifty little cowboy hat off of Amazon for 10 bucks. This little wig that I was gonna use for another look, which I'm still hopefully gonna use. And say before I start the video, I'm so sorry for my lack of videos. I had no voice, was not able to talk, so it really did delay the process. But I really hope you guys like this video. It was so fun to film. I actually really love this look and I probably will wear it to a Halloween party. If you guys go to a Halloween party this weekend and you happen to recreate my look or something similar, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. That'd be so super cool. It's gonna be so fun to wash off my face. Thanks guys for the love and support on Spookfest. I know it's not going exactly as I planned. Life happens, but here we are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right guys, let's get into the video. These contacts are so sensitive to the light right now. My eyes are watering. I'm totally just kidding. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gia. I know I've been MIA. I know this. I do want to explain what happened. Shit hit the fan. Yeah. 1 second I was healthy, next thing you know, the season's changed and I have no immune system. So that's been really fun. I'm still recovering, but at least I have my vocal cords now. I feel a lot better. And that's where we're at right now. So today we have another video. I wanted to do this look. It was in the itinerary. I have chopped the videos down to like another 4 maybe before Halloween. I have some really cool looks coming your guys' way. I know this is not exactly the ideal situation. I wanted to get up all 16, so we're just gonna have to settle with 10. I hope that's okay. There is going to be a lot of glitter in this video, which I'm super stoked about. All right, so obviously you guys can see I have my colored contacts in. They're not a requirement for this look, but I thought it would look really spacey and cool. I did a look about 2 years ago for a Coachella inspired look, and I wanted to incorporate the glitter tears from that look into this space cowgirl look, and I thought it would be really cool, especially with the icy green blue eyes. Okay, so I'm trying these new Celsius drinks. This is my first one I've ever had, and I swear to God, I feel like I just took a pre-workout. Me, a crackhead. Okay, so we're gonna jump in today's video. I'm going to try not to tweak out on you guys. I've already had so much of that. Whew. Whew, it's powerful. So I'm gonna start off with eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start by priming my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape. Is anybody else watching the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson series? Because bro, it's crazy. I love Shane Dawson. I feel like everybody does. He's like the dad of YouTube. I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush and just tap over the eyes just so whatever residue I have on this brush just gets on my eyes to set. I am gonna be using my Sugar Pill Fun Size palette today. So that's going to be the primary palette. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my IT Cosmetics 112, which is their Precision Shadow Brush. These brushes are really good for blending, I find, but I'm gonna go in with a really colorful look today. So I'm gonna do the color 8-bit in that palette, and we're just gonna start her off like right here at the, kind of like where your corner and your eyebrow meet. So I'm just kind of starting it there. And then I'm gonna blend it down to the crease. But I'm not gonna go any further. Probably should zoom you guys in. Okay, hi, welcome to my face. She's looking a little rough right now. I've had a lot of candy this week. I love October. It's only gonna get worse from here because December and November, forget about it. So I'm just blending that 8-bit shade just like right here where, like kind of where the corner meets the end of the eyebrow, and then like right here where your iris meets your arch. And I'm just blending that right there at the top. Then I'm gonna hop in with Player One in that palette, and I'm gonna go to the inner corner of my eye. But I'm not gonna get the corner just yet, just this half of the eye, I guess. I'm gonna go in on the other eye. I'm gonna just blend that in.
I just want the balance, still haven't found it, huh? I swear to God, if my life get any more hard, you can bring a knife to a gunfight one day. I'ma have a night that can only end one way.
These shades are so pretty. I love this palette. All right, guys, now that that's blended the way that I want it, I'm gonna go in with Level Up in the middle, and I'm gonna put that on the inner corner portion of my eye.
Never had a chance, not never. Just a little dance, know that.
And I'm just gonna touch up my colors as I go so that they don't lose their pigment.
If my life get any more.
Next, I'm going in with Game Over, and I'm just gonna start that on the outer V of my eye. Oh my god, that's so pretty. It's like a very orange red. It's not like 100% red, it's very orange.
Oh, they can't stand it. Going through all of these tears and I'm damaged.
Next, I'm gonna go in with Twitch.
That time will be my
And I'm gonna put Twitch on the center of my eye.
someone to heal my savage heart. It's been ravaged.
Okay, on top of Twitch, I'm gonna go in with Cheat Code. Twitch is like really light, and I don't know if you can see it, so I wanna make sure that you can get like the color pigment payoff.
I swear to God, if my life get any
Okay guys, so that's it for the eyes right now. I am gonna add a bit of glitter to it in a second, but right now I'm just gonna clean up. So I'm just going to make the edges sharp.
my dad's residential now. Just a little dance with the devil.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with some NYX glitter glue on the back of my hands. I'm gonna go in with my Lunatic Super Stacks Chunky Glitter. It's like a whole stack of them. You can buy this on Dolls Kill. You don't necessarily need to use these colors. I'm sure you can get glitter that looks like this. It's just normal chunky glitter. But I'm gonna be using the first tier, like a neon pink. I'm gonna go over the outer corner and the inner corner of my eye with glitter, basically. So I'm gonna go over that Game Over shade. I'm going to do the neon on the outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop in with that neon shade. Okay, y'all, so I am gonna go on the inside with that neon glitter as well. I'm just gonna focus it right here in the very inner part of the eye. I'm not gonna go outside where the blend is. I'm just gonna stay on the corner, kind of like a halo eye, but like reverse. All right, so you should be left with this so far. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the edges. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera, and I will be right back. All right, guys, so as you can see, I did my face off camera and eyebrows. Eyebrows are a little bushy today, but it's fine. We're gonna work with it. Okay, so I haven't thought about really what I wanna do. All right, guys, so to finish off the eyes, I wanna go ahead and do what I did on the top, on the bottom. Okay, so we're gonna do a glitter tear situation. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna hop in with 8-bit like I did on the outer corner, and I'm gonna put that on the outer part of my under eye. And I'm gonna kind of do it really heavy. So I'm kind of gonna drag it down like right here. With Player One, I'm gonna go on the other side. I'm just gonna blend that out. Like I said, I don't care if it's messy because I'm gonna go down with glitter anyway. We'll level up on the inner part of my eye like I did with the glitter. So we're just gonna drag it down just a little. And then I'm gonna go back in with Player One and I'm gonna drag her down a little. I'm gonna go back in with 8-bit and I'm gonna drag 8-bit down a little. I'm gonna go in with Game Over, and I'm gonna go like right here where Game Over ended with the glitter, and I'm just gonna drag that down. Then I'm gonna go in with Twitch, and I'm gonna bring Twitch like right here. I'm gonna mix Twitch with Cheat Code just to brighten up that color like I did on the lid. Awesome, now that we have like the faux tears, I guess you could call it, I'm gonna go back in with my NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to sparsely tap the glitter glue like everywhere underneath my eye, but just like kind of in like a triangle, because I want to accentuate like the idea that it's like glitter tears. So then I'm gonna go in with the glitter, and I'm gonna start sticking it on the under eye, and then I'm just gonna like kind of stop it like right here so that it has like a point.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
So you should get something like this. And then I'm gonna go back in on the other side. I'm gonna do the same thing.
And we'll
Me realizing this is going to be a bitch to take off. Alright guys, so you should have something that looks like this. Kind of like a galaxy of tears running down your face. And I'm just gonna line the inside of my waterline. So I'm just using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. It's my tried and true, as you can probably tell if you've been watching all of my videos. Alright guys, while I wait for my lashes to dry, I am going to go in with some highlights. I think I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Dream Palette because the highlights are a little bit glittery. And I'm going to go in with the shade, I think Regal. Regal's usually my go-to. So obviously I don't need to highlight that much because I got glitter going down my face.
wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Okay guys, now that we have lashes on, I'm wearing the Luminara lashes by Rogan Rouge. Just to accentuate the glitter tears, I'm gonna hop in with some star glitter that I have, and I'm just gonna place some stars down the face. I'm gonna take my eyeliner brush with some glue, and I'm just gonna place like random stars. And I'm just gonna do the same to the other eye. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go in and highlight my brow bone with Unicorn from the Dream Palette. I'm gonna pretty much highlight my entire brow bone. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the completed look. I'm gonna throw on a wig really quickly and I will be right back. Alright guys, so this look is almost done. Clearly we're missing a lip, so we're gonna put a lip on. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a lip mask really quickly. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with Berlin by Kat Von D. Pat the color around. I'm not gonna have it too pigmented. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. So I got this top off of Dolls Kill a while ago and I haven't really worn it. It's just a little turtleneck crop top, and I also put this kind of like foiled bustier on top, which I also got off of Dolls Kill, and I can link everything down below. I don't think they have these in stock anymore, but they have stuff that's similar. So if you're interested, they have different colors. I got this wig off of Amazon, as I got all my wigs for this Spookfest season. I also got this dope little hat off Amazon as well. But I really love how this turned out. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see what I did here at the eyes. So this is what it looks like. Very cute. If you guys are going to Halloween parties this weekend and you recreate this look, please tag me in them on Instagram. I am so excited for Halloween. It's my favorite time of year next to Christmas. Christmas is #1, Halloween is definitely #2, but because Halloween comes first, I go a little bit crazy. This is my completed Space Cowgirl look. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, you can see all the products that I used down below in the description. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, my name is Gia. Thank thank you so much for watching. If you want to join this little party that we have going on here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you want to be notified every time I upload, go ahead and click the bell notification down below as well. There's a couple more Spookfest videos that I'm going to be getting up for you guys. I just again wanted to say thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this look, go ahead and leave a cowboy hat emoji down in the comments below. As always, have a great rest of your day, night, or wherever in the world that you're watching this. My name's Gia. Bye everybody.
And